Hello everyone, and welcome back to Shib Kai. Shiba Inu becomes a $2 giant this month thanks to Amazon. Amazon turns Shiba Inu into a $2 giant this month. Don't forget to smash the thumbs up share and subscribe to the channel to see our most recent content on the Shiba Inu price. Shiba Inu price has been noting a downtrend for the last 2 weeks, which investors were expecting to be the corrections before a rally. However, based on a critical indicator, it seems like the meme coin might be on the path of disappointing its holders. Let's start the video now. Shiba Inu's price, which is currently trading at 0.00001068, is unable to break through the downtrend line that it has been pinned beneath for most of March. The downtrend line was initially formed when the meme coin re-entered the charts after testing the resistance of the 100-day exponential moving average. In contrast, over the same time period, the relative strength index has been trending upward. The indicator rose from the oversold zone under 30.0 and has been climbing towards the neutral line at divergence. If this pattern persists, the price of Shib could drop over the coming trading sessions, pushing the meme coin to a crucial support level of 0.978 and marking a 2-month low for the altcoin. Losing this support would further push Shib to December 2022 lows, which would signify a 25% crash for the cryptocurrency. This would be highly loss-bearing for the investors who recently bought more than 43 trillion Shib tokens in a week, according to the supply on X. Generally, a drop in supply signals the beginning of a short-term accumulation trend. However, this decline points in the direction of Shib owners relocating their tokens from exchanges to a cold wallet. However, the likelihood of the same is still there. Gloomy because even when FTX crashed 4 months earlier, such a slump went unnoticed. Shibu holders' decision is unexpected given that the network had its worst losses since June 2021 earlier this week, and that the majority of coins moved on. Shane pointed out losses totaling about 575 million Shib, or less than $62,000, but on-chain they constitute significant losses, so if the gloomy divergence occurs, and the price of Shiba inu falls to December 2022 lows, would increase losses across the network for Shib investors. The Layer 2 scaling team behind Shiba Inu says the protocol seeks to deliver swift and economical transactions. According to developer Shytoshi Kusama of Shiba inu, new public documentation shows that Shibarium, which earlier this month released its beta version, intends to achieve true decentralization by developing a system that charges either zero or very low transaction fees. Every project created on the Layer 2 protocol will be eligible for reduced transfer fees from Shibarium, with the aim of processing transactions in few seconds for less than a penny. Hailed as the People's Blockchain, Shibarium aims to establish itself as a scalable, transparent, and secure blockchain that serves as a foundation for new project development. The blockchain guarantees the creation and exchange of digital assets in a secure and transparent manner. It also provides a foundation for the building of decentralized applications, or dApps, such as Shib, the Metaverse Shib. The public documentation also provides more information about Shibarium's burning process, as do Shiba Eternity and numerous other initiatives, platforms, and services within the larger Shiba Inu community. According to the document, the burn mechanism will activate once the protocol has accumulated a certain amount of BONE Shiba. Swap once a certain amount of BONE $25,000 is accumulated in the burn contract. Users can start the burn process from Shibarium. Shibainu is trading for 0.11, a slight decline over the past 24 hours. This token will be used for gas fees on Shibarium. When a user makes a transaction on the network, the base fee is locked on a contract on Shibarium, while the priority fee is paid to the validator. This base fee will be split in 70% burned and 30% set. Aside to the price of Shinu has decreased by 0.5% over the past 24 hours, falling to 0.154 on a day when the market as a whole has barely changed. Its current price represents an 8% increase over its 30-day low of $0.973. $3, and the meme token has increased by an impressive 30% since the year's beginning. This month's beta launch of the Shibarium Layer 2 network has contributed to the meme token's gains of 30%. In the upcoming weeks, Shy is poised to continue growing, especially once the L2 has a complete public debut. The Relative Strength Index, RSI, of the SHIB has recently taken a dive, rising to 40 from 30 earlier in the month when it reached oversold levels. Similarly, the 30-day moving average of the SHIB is on the verge of falling below its 200-day average, at which point the altcoin will be due for a rebound. The current important resistance level for SHIB is 0.11, which it has attempted to break through a few times in the last couple of weeks. If it can successfully do so, more rises are expected to follow, though SHIB will definitely need some time to adjust. The continued rollout of Shibarium, which is currently live and in beta form, may result in more gains for the token witnesses shortly, especially when the Layer 2 network officially launches to the general public. The wider market is also expected to make a recovery at the same time. Two factors, one technical and the other economic, are particularly positive for Shibarium. In the beginning, the Layer 2 network will reduce transaction costs and boost Shiba inu's capacity, strengthening security and decentralization. Second, by destroying 70% of the base transaction fee, the L2's launch will increase Shiba inu's burn rate. In other words, Shibarium will result in a supply-side constraint, which will increase relative demand and the coin's price. Since Shibarium's efficiency improvements will draw more users to the shibainu ecosystem and its apps, more burns will be generated, which will have a positive effect on SHIB's price. As a result, we may see a gradual increase in SHIB's price over the course of the year, a process that will be aided by Shibarium's efficiency improvements. With the introduction of Shib, the metaverse, players can now purchase, explore, and trade 100,500 NFT-based lands as well as a variety of in-game commodities in a virtual environment with a Shigu theme. In fact, it's likely that Shibarium alone will push SHIB up to 0.15 and 0.00002, while the eventual arrival of Shib, the metaverse, could see it rise even higher to 0.00005 or perhaps 0.1 by the time the metaverse is fully operational. Its team has high hopes for the platform, which according to its official website is the future of entertainment, business, and gaming combined with Shibarium. The tech giant Amazon is reportedly getting ready to launch its new initiative next month. According to sources, around 15 collections are expected to be available starting on March 24th under the Amazon Digital Marketplace tab. The report said this tab would initially only be available for U.S. residents, but it will gradually open to the rest of the world, including Europe, the report said. According to the study, a private blockchain used by Amazon as their technical choice is incompatible with the Ethereum virtual machine. For developers who want to make their NFTs available on Amazon's blockchain, it will be mandatory to use a bridge, the report claimed, citing a source close to the situation. That's it for now. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. To view our most recent material, share and subscribe to the channel.